Hello guys, welcome back once again to my channel. This is Shades of my Day. So as usual, I don't like giving you guys too much stress, so we'll go straight to the point. This is a party flyer that I created from just using this image, and simple text around it. As you can see, it's looking so nice and lovely. Now before I start, please do wait to check out my channel. I'm on 950 subscribers. Please, I would want to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of November. That's my goal. So please do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I drop my videos. So let's start by creating the design. So what I did here was to create a new layer. Let me create it for you by pressing Ctrl N on your keyboard. So the page size is 1080 by 1350, resolution at 300. Now what I did was to bring in this design. This background is very simple and straightforward. Ctrl V. As you can see, it's trying to load because I used a plugin called Topaz Lab to enhance the image, and also I used Camera Raw also. So I would want to put my image like this to this area. Then what I did next was to write my text. As usual, as you can see, my videos I've been using this same form of text. Just drop this like this, so let me increase it a little bit. Let's start. Let's say 4. No, it's too much. So let's try 3.5. Yes, something like it's still too small. Okay, let's use 3 should be perfect. Yes, 3 is perfect. You can decide to use anything you want to use. This is just my own preference. So you come to your text properties here. You can see the text size is 3. The height value is 9.2. Now the tracking value that I used is 1820 rather, and the color is white. So if I reduce this tracking, you can see making it smaller to 134, but I would not want that. I want to use it. I want to use 1820. Now for the text also, I think this font that I used there is Bomba Escort regular at size 132 for this. The same font I used for this also. You can decide to play around your text. You can see it's almost the same thing as this. It's very simple and straightforward. Then for this font here, I used Autograph regular size 196.6. Now the major focus here is this summer vibes. Let me copy both texts. Ctrl C. Copy it to this place. Ctrl V. Now if you notice this text here, let me group it. Notice this text here is having that shadow feel, that overlapping shadow. You can see this summer here is looking like this vibes is below this summer. So here's what I did for this. You can see this summer is having the drop shadow effect. You can see, let me come to the drop shadow. You can see it's having opacity as 79, blend mode multiply, distance 46, spread for size 68 for the size, and the color is as usual black, and it's having a stroke too. You can see it's having a stroke. Let me reduce the size of this. This is size, sorry, it's having a stroke, color white, size 6, position outside, blend mode normal. So now you can see this color here is color red. So you can try to play around the text to just walk around it. Now what you do next is duplicate this layer here, this summer, duplicate it and bring these vibes below. You know, if I do like this, you can see it's looking somehow. If I do like this, you can see it's looking like it's not okay. But if I bring this vibe below this summer, you can see it's giving that shadow feel. So that was exactly how I got this. Then I also use a light shadow too on these vibes. A light shadow on these vibes. I used drop shadow, opacity 79, distance 46, spreads for size 68 for this. So you can see that if I bring this, okay, let me tap on this, tap this. If I bring this here, sorry, let me put this, Ctrl V, Ctrl T. You can see if I bring this, if I bring this here, to have this kind of feel, to have this kind of style. You can see it's looking like this is below these vibes, like the shadow is reflecting on these vibes. So that was the initial idea. So you can let me bring in my text also, my different text. You can see that it's very simple and straightforward. So that was exactly how I got this design. So I'll be dropping the PSD file in the link below. Please do well to subscribe, watch my videos, and turn on your notification bell. Thank you.